What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So in this video, I wanted to talk to you about the best credit cards, the must-have credit cards for internet and cable. This is something that's a little bit different because it's on a specific category, kind of like gas categories. Maybe I'll do something for that. I don't think I've ever done anything for that. So internet and cable, what are the best credit cards? We'll get into that in just a second. Before I start, make sure you hit the like button on this video. Also hit the subscribe button for more videos just like this one. And remember that I do a giveaway, so make sure you stick around to the end of the video to hear all about it. Now, when you talk about internet and cable, this is something that I really like to put on a credit card because one, there's no fees. There's no fees with it. When you look at like gas and electric, usually there's some sort of fee with it, and it doesn't really help you out. You have to basically get more than 2% in order to gain any value out of it. But 1% is better than nothing, to tell you the truth. So I like to be able to gain, a good percentage out of it. So when it comes to internet and cable, you don't have any fees. You can put it on any credit card you want. I usually put it on minimum spend credit cards, but they have certain credit cards that you can use for these categories. And some of them are kind of less internet and more streaming, but I included internet, cable, and streaming really. So let's go ahead and get into it. So the first card that I have on here is the Chase Ink Business Cash Card. This card can give you 5% on internet and cable and phone. This is absolutely amazing to get 5% on internet, cable, and phone. It is a business card, but you can get internet, cable, and phone at 5%. That's absolutely amazing. Now, it is a $0 annual fee, and you have other areas, but I'm just going to focus on the cable, internet, and phone areas. I'm going to focus on those areas. So 5% on internet, cable, and phone with the Ink Business Cash Card. Now, you're probably thinking there's another card there that you can also get percentages back or points back on internet, cable, and phone. Well, yes, I have that card on here as well, which is the Ink Business Preferred Credit Card, which gives you 3 points per dollar spent on internet, cable, and phone. Now, I don't think this is not as good as the Chase Ink Business Cash Card, which you get 5%, but you can basically redeem those points for 1.25 cents per point, which brings up the value in that card. Now, it does have other things, other benefits to it, but it's also a $95 annual fee. So yes, you get the benefits from it, but can you justify it with all of the spend? These are two Chase cards that can give you a good amount of rewards back on this certain category, on cable and internet, really. So Chase Ink Business Cash Card and the Ink Business Preferred Credit Card. So both amazing cards. The next card that I have on here is the Chase Freedom Card. So another Chase card. And the reason why I have the Chase Freedom Card on here is because they have the revolving categories. So 5% revolving categories. Now, you're not going to get it all the way through the year, but you can get it maybe at least 1 quarter per year, but it will give you 5% on cable and internet by quarter. So that's absolutely amazing for me. To be able to even get it in one area is perfect. But the fact that you have to have these revolving categories is kind of stupid. I would like it to be just one category that you pick for the year or something like that, where you get 5% instead of switching it up to different areas. But the issuer is in charge of it, so let them do what they have to do. Before I get into the other areas, make sure you hit the like button on this video. That helps me out a lot, seriously. Hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm and bring my videos to the top. Thank you. But let's go ahead and get into this. So the last cards that I have over here are actually focused on streaming. And that's a form of cable because technically everybody's moving towards the whole streaming way of things instead of just building it by cable or, watching things by cable. People are streaming things and, being able to like save it for later without you actually trying to save it for later. The DVR aspect of things. So people are going on Netflix, they're going on Disney Plus, they're going on Hulu, things like that. So these cards are focused on streaming. So let's go ahead and get into the first one. The first one that I have on this mini list, so to continue the list, the fourth card is the Wells Fargo Propel card. It's a card that gives you 3 times on streaming, also has a $0 annual fee, and you're basically getting a good amount on a streaming service. I absolutely love that card. I have the card, and you get benefits in other areas. So if you're looking to get benefits on streaming services, if you have Disney Plus, Hulu, Amazon, does Amazon like Prime as a whole count as a streaming service? That would be interesting. I should probably put that on that credit card. Right now, it's on my gold card, but I should probably put it on that credit card to see if I get 3 times really. So that would be interesting. But I do have another card on this list, which is the Amex Blue Cash Preferred card. This is amazing. It gives you 6% on streaming services. So with that whole mindset of mine that I can take the Amazon purchase or Amazon membership, because technically that includes what is it called? Prime Video. It includes that. So if it does include that, then I can basically get 6% on that every single year, which is technically still pretty cheap per month. But I can do that and do Netflix and do Disney Plus and whatever other streaming service I may have. So that's interesting to me. But these are the cards for cable, internet, and streaming, if you want to count that into the cable area. If you have another card, let me know what's your card for cable and internet, and I'll make sure that when I do an updated list that card gets added to it. I just thought that these were really interesting when it comes to cable and internet, and I wanted to let everybody know what I think about these cards and which one I really think is the best. Which I'll probably say, because I'm not a Chase fan, is the Wells Fargo Propel card, because one, it gives you 3 times when streaming. I have cable and internet, and I only gained 2% back from it. So maybe the Inc. Business Cash Card would be a great fit for me, and I've kind of been saying that a little bit, but we'll see in the future. So right now, I would go with the Wells Fargo Propel card because I still get 3 times when streaming, and I still get 2% with my Citi Double Cash card with cable and internet. So that's my video, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you hit the like button. Also hit the subscribe button for more videos just like this one. Remember that I do a giveaway every single week. If you want to enter that giveaway, all you have to do is comment on at least one video for the week, like at least one video for the week, and also be subscribed to my YouTube channel. If you do all those things, and you get one ticket in the hat, but if you want multiple tickets, then comment on multiple videos. But that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'm going to have to get out of here. And until next time, I'll see you guys later.